Dotwoo features a rich text editor that you can find at the top of the toolbar when entering text edit mode. You enter this mode by simply clicking into a text field. To get text into your interactive experience, you can either go into the store, search for text, and drag a non-formatted text component into the stage. You can also go to the text section and choose a predefined format to use. Even if you choose a non-formatted text component, you can still select your text, go to the predefined list, and choose an existing one. From here, you can also choose to update an existing one based on an already established format. Do be aware that these count as paragraph styles and not necessarily character styles. So between multiple styles, I do recommend using a hard return to end the paragraph or using a separate text component. You can of course change the size, the color, and shading of individual characters. And you can set the style to be bold, italic, underlined, or strike through. And of course, you can set the alignment, justify the text, or adjust the line height. You can also add or break a link in your paragraph, which all works like you would expect. Now, we also offer you this cool feature here. This works similarly to our copy style, and this allows you to copy the format and paste into other paragraphs. So next, we allow you to implement data or values of existing formulas. Data could, for example, be numbers of a correct answer from quiz, a custom data field, and so on. Now, if you wish to do so, you can of course also reset the text format. And when handling text from external sources, you can choose how Dotwoo should prioritize the format, meaning whether it should apply formatting from the copied source, from the destination you paste into, or whether you just want to paste in some text without worrying about formatting.